Yes, my name is Muhammad Farooq, and not talking about today my philosophy of teaching, and my subject is mathematics, and I have teaching in a adult education, and my course is delivered on a calculus, trigonometric, and algebraic function for a continued education. And I always use in my lectures there are different methods, and one method is very famous method is mnemonics methods, which is used to how to remember and how to utilize and how to memorize these trigonometric function formulas. So because adult education learners, there are a lot of gaps between the continue education, so they not understand, they are not memorize, recall memories. So we use mnemonic strategies to memorize the values. For example, we take the pi. Everyone take pi is a 3.1416, but not easy to memorize. So I for memorize for this p, I is methods. Yes, I have a methods, because yes, it consists of three characters, so it stands for 3, and I is consists of one character is for 1, and have a 4 characters it for 4, and 1 is a, and 6 is 6 characters methods. So it is easily to memorize the value of pi. Mean yes, I have a method. If we go on a algebraic methods, so in algebra many my students it confuse how to first operation plus minus, they are always confused. So I introduce a very verbal sentence: please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Please mean parentheses mean brackets, and excuse mean exponent, exponent mean power, and my mean multiplication, and dear mean divisions, and aunt mean addition, and Sally stands for subtraction. If we consider this algebraic equation and we will apply over a math order operation according to mnemonic section, so we use sentence: please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It means first of all we remove the brackets, and number 2 we use exponent 5 raised to power 2, and then we use multiplication 6 into 5 raised to power 25, and then second last we use division. There is no division inside, so ignore it. And last one is addition, and then last is Sally. Sally means subtraction. So can easily to solve this problem with the help of this sentence: please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Now we are going to trigonometry section. Some students are very confused to how to memorize the trigonometry ratios, because trigonometry ratio it is a length of 2 divisions. So we introduce a mnemonic sentence and easily understand. Some people have curly brown through proper version. Some mean sine, P mean perpendicular, H mean hypotenuse. So we get a ratio sine perpendicular over hypotenuse. And the next one, curly brown hair. Curly brown hair means cosine base divided by hypotenuse. And the last one, through proper motion, mean tangent ratio. The tangent ratio is perpendicular divided by base. So these are trigonometric ratios in trigonometry algebra and trigonometry equations. So any students easily memorize how to calculate sine theta, cos theta, tangent theta, and cosecant is a reciprocal of sine theta, and secant is a reciprocal of cosine theta, and cotangent it is a reciprocal of tangent theta. So, and we use always in a right angled triangle. This formula only valid for right angle triangle. You know, right angle triangle mean a triangle with having a one angle is 90 degree, and opposite to the 90 degree side called hypotenuse, and the angle opposite to the side called perpendicular, and the remaining side is a base. So we use, some people have mean sine ratio, curly brown hair, cosine ratio. Through proper bushing mean tangent ratio. So it is a very easy to memorize trigonometry ratio, and this method is called mnemonics methods. It is easy to understand to and use in a trigonometry ratio, and because of the adult education there is a lot of gap between the in the life in teaching, so you forget all the things. So if they come in the again in a teaching life, so he to use to these formulas so that it will be able to teach easily, understand his student, and therefore there is a lot of communication between the student and the adult education. So if we use mnemonic strategies, so I think it is very helpful to you. This is my philosophy of teaching in the subject of mathematics. Thank you. Have a good night.